What's up, tubers? Aweber computers since 1996. Okay, I'm starting my new YouTube channel. Not bad for like a week or so that I've been uploading these videos. Okay, got my new website here, RWC Web, to correspond with my YouTube channel. Show you guys how to do affiliate landing pages, bridge pages, lead magnets, lead magnet pages, lead in pages, however different many names they have for that stuff now. Okay, I like to use Aweber for my email marketing program. Okay, and a lot of these, even if you go to sign up for like Bluehost, they'll have these pre-formatted templates for you. Okay, and a lot of them are pretty good. Some of them have, information to help you out. Okay, this is the template, so looks kind of big. Okay, so basically, I'll show you an example of a template that I used to make a sample site. This was actually a while ago. Okay, I would have probably did this a little bit different. I'm not sure why this text is here. It should come out across here. But again, this was just a sample. Okay. Out of working out of a template. Okay. As you can see, there was certain things that I changed. So I try to go by this template. So powerful headline. Okay. How to pick a diet plan. That's a pretty powerful headline. Okay. All right. Image introduction. Okay. Now the only thing that this lacks here is the immediate call to action. And basically this part here. So like it shows you the CTA, it's call to action. That means you want to guide people. And I hate to use this, this metaphor, but you guide them like a farmer, like a herder, like cattle. Okay. And there's a lot of psychological things in marketing that take place. Okay. So again, with affiliate marketing, and like over the years, I've gathered all kinds of samples like this, and okay, I only got 2 in that file, but they all fall under the same, thing: powerful headline, call to action. Okay, which is the form. A form is a call to action. Okay, let me show you here. All right, now with this is more like e-commerce. Again, you always want the same kind of stuff, but you got to kind of just do it like a Walmart kind of thing. So I'm going to shut this down for now. Now, this was a little franchise I started. Unfortunately, I started it right when the COVID hit. Okay. And I wasn't going to go wear a mask and go to businesses. And this is a media marketing thing. This is an actual flyer that gets sent out into the real world in the mail. Okay. And basically, I use the same principle here. Now, trying to sell to other businesses is actually easier because, they understand the lingo. They know that you're going there to take their money because you need to make a living and they need your product. Okay, basically that's how it is. Okay, so business to business, I like it can be rough because some of these people are ruthless business people and they're rude and they're obnoxious and they don't answer your call, or they'll degrade you to try and get you at a cheaper price. But anyhow, I digress on that. Right now I wanted to show you this here about how you got to have these elements in there. Okay, and I could probably leave a link to this picture. I could probably put this picture up somewhere, I'm sure. If you want to use your snippet tool, you remember the snippet tool comes with Windows stock programming. You could take it like that. Okay, and just steal it off my video. Help yourself. Okay, so basically, you got to have these elements. Okay, and these psychological things like numbering stuff is a psychological thing. Highlightation, when you highlight things, different color text. Okay. I've also got this thing called an emotional color wheel. You could probably Google that. It shows you a picture of a color wheel, just like from the paint store, and it shows you emotional colors. Like red is a call to urgency, yellow is a call to urgency, blue is a trust color. Okay. So all these elements you gotta kind of have to be in there. Now, when you just got an opt-in page, okay, and this is actually a crappy opt-in page. This is not something you send what they call cold traffic to. Okay, this is more of a cold traffic thing where it's more of a sales page. Okay, this is more of a bridge page here. Okay, so, and they all, again, if you want to follow this principle, powerful heading, call to action, and it doesn't matter whether it's a lead capture page. Okay, let me see if I can pull up my missing a little letter. Okay, so this basically again, I started in health and fitness because the health and fitness niche, because I know a lot about it. In the real world, I've taught hundreds of people how to be bodybuilders and lose weight and stuff like that. But for some reason, I'm having trouble following through with this. Okay, and that's going to happen. Okay, it's going to happen. Now, there's two things. Number one, this type of industry can have some liabilities. If you don't structure pictures right, you can get kicked off of Facebook. Show a girl before and after losing weight, a man before and after losing weight. Okay, so there's a lot of pros and cons to all of the niche marketing. Okay, you just got to decide which one you want to be in, but you will go through some of them. You will go through some of them. Now, I could probably make a lot of money doing this, but there's something inside of me that's stopping it. So I put it on the back burner. And of course, over the years, I've had this for a long time, and I've been lingering on it. But for some reason, I still enjoy working out and lifting, but I just don't enjoy teaching people to do that anymore. Okay. So once you feel like that also too, you're going to lose your inspiration. So you want to stay motivated. Okay, because affiliate marketing is like any other business. There's a lot of self-motivation. Okay. Now, what I'd like to do, okay, is to show you what I did. I was actually in the process. I'm going to shut all these down. Okay. Shut you down. Okay. I was actually in the process of creating a lead magnet for my tubers, okay, who want to learn about affiliate, website building, landing pages, bridge pages, opt-in page, lead magnets, lead magnet pages, okay? Because what happens is you gotta try and stay what they call brand, okay? Let me just see if this thing will work for me here. Okay, so from here, okay, here, Okay, old school DOS geek. Okay, tips and tricks, all that stuff. Okay, all that stuff. You got to understand. Again, it's a psychological thing with the arrows. Okay, it's the call to action that matters the most. Okay, now you don't want to just throw it in your face. Okay, and what I do is, I tell people, I ask you guys if you want to learn more about this. I've got a great program you could sign up for. You like and subscribe. Okay, the whole 9 yards. So give and take. Okay. So now, what I want to do. Okay, let me refresh this. Go to where I'm working. Okay. This is my control panel in Bluehost, and what I'm about to do is I'm going to upload my lead magnet. Okay, now you can be anal retentive, and you could be, you could try and make like everything perfect, which is okay, but don't be a perfectionist and just throw your stuff out there and see if it works. Okay, throw it out there, see if it works. Okay, so I just put this lead magnet on my site. Now you can hide these. Okay, you can hide these on your site, but what, I just made this lead magnet, okay, because what I want is, this is more of an informational thing about Bluehost, okay, and about doing these hub sites, okay. And I had the hub site thing in another video, and what I want to do today is I want to make a subfolder on my website, okay, our WC Web. I probably should have put this file in that subfolder too, and I'll do that in a minute. Okay, and then do a subfolder. Okay, so let's get cracking at it. Why don't we do that right now? We're going to do this in Bluehost. Okay, so my subfolder is going to be hub site. You don't want to make them too long and elaborate. Years ago, when everything was old and the computer thing, oops. Okay. Now, what I want to do is, let's see, events, webinars, they're usually simple. Okay. Freebies. What's a freebie? See, their templates to me can be complicated. Okay. Thank you page. We already got that. What you need to have some of those things you're gonna need to have. Okay. All right. Let's just start it from scratch. Okay. I'm just gonna start it from scratch. Okay. Now I'm gonna need a picture. Right. So let's shrink this down a little bit. Gonna need a picture. So, all right, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. So I don't like that yellow in there. Okay, let's go to settings. Landing page URL. Domain. Okay, so we're gonna say get, oops, oopsie. Okay, and then we're gonna duplicate, 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 push that all the way down. Okay, now we're going to drop an element here, which is going to be an image. Where's my image? Image. I'm going to put it. Get your free quick guide on, and then we're going to use the image. Okay, or you could just copy this text like this. Let's see that. Let's just try that for a second to see how it might go in as text. Okay, so boom. All right, so that's just text. We don't like that. Now the reason why I'm not gonna do both, like I'm not gonna put that text in there and then do the image at the same time. So here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, see if I can get this. All right, now I'm gonna remember the Windows snippet tool. We love you. All right, I could just do this. See how that looks. Yeah, that's kind of nice, and then chop it up. Okay, so let's get this back to its normal. Whoops. Gonna go like 100%. Okay, 100%. Snippet tool. Okay, we're gonna make this kind of big. Want it to stand out. All right, we're gonna save it. Hub. I'll just give it any name. Just to be quick, I don't like these videos to go on forever for you guys, but I do like making them. I'll teach you out. Okay, YouTube. Okay. There she goes. Okay, we're going in. We're gonna go sizing, original. Let's take a quick preview. All right, get your free quick guide on what is a hub site used for in affiliate marketing. Okay, back there. And then we're gonna go text element. Actually, I'm gonna do a text element down here. Okay, push that down some. Okay, that's pushed down. Alrighty, so that's that. Now remember, this is, it's going to be you guys coming from my YouTube channel or however ways else you might market it. Okay, to send people there. I could send cold traffic to this directory. Okay, could do it like that. Okay. All right, so let's keep moving. Again, I'm up to 20 minutes on a video. I probably cut out 10. So, okay, so we're going to drop an element here. So I'm going to put another image here. Okay, image gallery. Do you remember my files? Where is that file? This is the guy. I love this guy. Okay, and then we're going to put in a form. Okay, and again, it'll be another video when I'll show you, more detail on how to set this all up. Right now, I'm just showing you how to upload the PDF lead magnet, okay, and what you're going to need to do with it, okay? So this is going to be here, okay? Now the form itself, it's going to go through Aweber. You're going to get on the mailing list, okay? Now, the key here is going to be, all right, and again, you're going to need your thank you page and all that. This video isn't about how to make the form. It's about what you're supposed to do with your lead magnet, okay? So they fill out this form. So now you could do it one of two ways. You could set up another email series, okay? Or you can create a landing page, okay, for them to go get the form, okay? All right, on submission, Go to the thank you page, custom URL. Okay, so I'm going to take this lead magnet URL, where it's located on the internet. Okay, and I'm going to put that right here. Okay, we're going to open it in a new window, and we're going to preview it. Okay, now let me see if this form, I can't remember if these forms work. Okay, let me do this one. That's interesting. Why wouldn't it find that on the server? Did I copy it wrong? Okay, hold the phones. All right, a little glitch. Forgot I made this. Put it in a folder. Okay, I'm just gonna, rather than go back and change the link, let me just make sure we get this properly first. Okay, so there she is. I'm gonna copy this URL. Okay, so now we're gonna show you. You make a mistake like that, don't panic when you make mistakes. Okay, don't get angry. Now, one thing I used to teach people how to use their computers. Okay, and okay, the directory's in there. It's showing me it's valid. And what it is when we work on the computers, even today, a lot of people don't know that, it's hidden stress. Okay. Ray. Web.com. Okay. Boom. Turn to left. Oh, I gotta confirm. Okay. I should have used a different email. Okay, I'll use my old. Let's do this one. Oops. No, is that the one? I think that's the one. You gotta have valid email addresses. See what this takes us. Hey, it actually worked. Okay, so you gotta have valid email address. And I already see what that was when I used my email over and over again. I don't think this is around anymore. When I used the email over and over again, it told me that I had already signed up. Okay, so that's just the great features about these email marketing programs like Aweber. Okay, and at this point in time, I'm not an affiliate to Aweber, but I think it's great, and I highly recommend it. So that's basically it. Now, again, I created this lead magnet in Canva, and I'm going to have other videos to actually show you how to do this. Okay. There's different ways of doing it. You can actually get them sometimes from, the affiliate publishers, that people that makes the programs, like email list. Once they get on your list, then that's when you either offer them your service or you teach them. Okay, and that's a whole nother different thing. I'm only going to show you what's involved in creating the stuff. Okay, the landing pages, the lead magnets, and so forth. Alrighty, so this is Rayware Computers since 1996. I'll start my new YouTube channel. I'm hoping that, like Charlie over here, poor guy, got his thumbs up forever. I'm hoping you like and subscribe. I hope you talk to me and, Tell me about your pain in affiliate marketing. Okay, Lord knows we've all been there. And, sign up to my newsletter. You might like it. You might learn something. Have a great day.